I know a lot of you guys are here. Ooh, ooh. So wait, we got my dog and my niece dog in the background. So if you hear, Halo, don't you dare go on that couch again. Okay. So I know a lot of you guys, my subscribers, the Royal Court. Welcome back, first of all. And if you're new here, subscribe. Please join the Royal Court. Regardless, I know a lot of you guys came from the private label. Sorry. I know a lot of you guys came from the private label wig haul. Have my wigs here, the 3 babies. Today we're gonna be doing. Oh, that's Kiana in the background.
Hi.
Hey, so you're not gonna see her, but you'll hear her. And she's gonna walk me through wig washing, and then I'm calling her out on camera, putting her on the spot. Are you gonna help me ball cap method?
Yes.
Okay.
I can.
We're not doing it today, obviously, but
I got you.
thank you. Okay. So today's video is gonna be wig washing. So we're gonna take care of all the little bugs and stuff because she is a wig queen. And she was telling me how they come dirty, like from the factory or warehouse and everything. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys in my bathroom, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the bathroom. But if you're new here, subscribe. I know I said that, but you know, I gotta say it again because you might have missed it the first time. Okay. All right, we're in the bathroom. Kiana's off camera as stated earlier. So let's go ahead and make it happen, Captain. All right. How are we washing this? I have 3. Can I do all 3 at the same time?
No, just one at a time.
Okay, one at a time, she said. Well, where do we start?
Get a wig. Get which wig that you want to do first.
We'll start with the bang.
Yeah, let's do that.
The bang. The bang. All right, so you guys, if you don't know which wigs I have, I did a try on haul, so I will put the card in there. So you can click that and then come back to this on how to wash your wig. Okay. You back? Welcome back. All right.
The bang wig.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we want to start with giving warm water.
Okay. So we have a bowl here. Our wig bowl.
Wig bowl.
So why warm water?
Yeah, warm water just to get the hair nice and soft.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're going to put a couple
Shampoo.
squirts of shampoo in there.
More?
No, that's good. Just gonna mix it around, get the soap bubbles.
Y'all don't talk about my little, it broke. Okay?
Talk about us. Okay, you wanna do it?
You got it. Okay. I'll watch for the first one.
Okay. You wanna start by just doing a nice dunk. You don't wanna mix the wig around, you don't wanna scrub it because then the hairs will get all tangled.
Okay.
You just wanna dunk. You're gonna see how dirty the water is gonna get in a second. It's gonna be very brown. You can just put your fingers through it like this. But this is how you clean a wig.
Now, can you use the same water?
No, because the water's gonna be very dirty after this. Watch this.
Ew! Oh my God!
Told you. Every single wig that I've gotten, I clean it just like this, and the water is always very brown. Sometimes it's darker than that.
So why do you think it is? Because they dyed it or something? Or just because
maybe because they use the same water to clean every wig. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that one. But the wigs are never clean. Maybe it's because, well, no, they don't put any type of dye on the wig cap. It's just dirty.
You know
hair.
what? I'm actually disgusted that I tried it on.
It's okay. And you know what? You can't forget, this is human hair. This actually came off a human's head.
Yeah.
So when they clean it.
So you feel it? It feels human?
Yeah, this is human
So
hair.
private label didn't get me?
No.
So I can still do my giveaway and feel good about it?
Yes.
Okay. Y'all don't forget to enter the giveaway.
Every time you get a wig, just wash it.
Y'all don't forget to enter the giveaway, and if you win, make sure you wash your wig.
Wash your wig. So you just want to keep rinsing it until the water is no longer brown.
Okay, that looked about clear.
After that, you're going to get your conditioner. I just like to put little squirts on the hair. And then when I do the conditioner, I like to use cold water.
To close the cuticles.
Dunk it.
Oh yeah, do you wash your synthetic wigs?
Yes, I do. But I don't wash it with shampoo and conditioner. I wash it with fabric softener. Because it's not real hair. It's
understood.
fibers. So the fabric softener actually softens up those synthetic fibers.
So where'd you learn that?
YouTube, girl.
Okay, that makes sense though.
How to wash a synthetic wig, what to wash a synthetic wig with.
That's the title of this video.
Really?
How to wash human hair, what to wash human hair wigs with.
So it's completely different for synthetic wigs.
Okay, fabric softener. So what do you use to wash it then?
You can use
Borax.
laundry detergent.
A laundry. Oh, okay.
Especially if it's a mixture between human hair and synthetic hair. If it is, then you can use a little bit of shampoo, conditioners, whatever, to soften up that human hair. All right, so the water is about clear. You just want to make sure you get all the soap out. Try not to tangle the hair when you do this. Just keep it nice and straight.
Do I need a towel? Can I just lay it flat on a towel since I don't have a wig stand?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this is human hair, so you want to try, if you do have a towel, you can use that, but you want to try to use it with cotton. You want to dry it with cotton. So we can use
I use t-shirts for my hair.
Yeah, I use t-shirts for my hair too.
Okay.
And I use it for my wigs too if you have an old t-shirt.
Okay.
Alright, so this wig's about done.
Kiana the wig queen.
Yes, ma'am.
If y'all hear 2 dogs in the background, that's because 2 dogs in the background.
Alright, so this wig is finished. You just want to wring it out.
Okay, let me go get a towel. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I got a microfiber towel, so that should be good.
Perfect.
Okay.
Just want to wrap it up in
Wait.
Oh, get on camera? Yeah. Go ahead.
So we just wrapping it up, and then what?
Twist it.
Twisting it.
Make sure you wring it out real good. Get the bangs.
Hang on, she ain't want to get got. She said, "You already took my dirt." That was gross.
Yeah, she should be good.
It feels really soft though. I was impressed by that. All right, so this is what it's looking like right now.
If you want to, you can comb it out.
Okay.
With longer wigs, when you comb it, you want to start from the bottom to the top. But this wig is good because it's a nice little bob and it's not that many tangles in there. So, yes, she is cute.
She is. You make sure you enter the giveaway.
I will.
Because guess what? I didn't see you when you were on there.
I know.
Okay.
Is it too late?
Okay. I extended it because they wouldn't let me buy it October. They was like, they closed the door on me, y'all.
I'm truly sorry, but we are in fact closed. So.
But it's okay.
It's okay. Just send me, what's it,
the video.
Oh, it's on your YouTube?
Yeah, it's on my YouTube.
Okay, got you.
Okay.
Check out my YouTube.
Yes, video link. You back? Okay, great. I knew you was watching that. All right, let's do the next. So basically, y'all got the gist of it. So I'm gonna cut this camera, and move over there for the next 2 weeks. I don't feel like y'all need to watch me do the same thing 2 more times. So we're gonna cut this one video over with. Just kidding. Content is content. And content is king. Woo cha!
We did
it. So here she is, wet.
Barely any shedding.
That's pretty good, right?
That's very good.
Y'all hear that? Enter the giveaway. Enter the giveaway. All right. So what's next on the agenda for these wigs? Not today. Are we bleaching knots?
I have not learned how to do that yet, but
do these need it?
No. This laces your skin color, so all you have to do is put foundation under it, and it'll look like scalp.
Okay. Get my thumbnail this time. We learning. Thank you guys so much for joining me in the royal court. That is it for today. I'm hungry. I always try to batch content and not eat. So I'm looking at Kiana. I'm gonna end this video here. We all know what the next video is about to be. In terms of wigs, and that's gonna be the ball cap method. cutting the lace, all that jazz. So subscribe, stay tuned if you're interested in that. And we just watched these. There was like minimal shedding. It was still really soft. It didn't tangle. So if you guys want to enter the giveaway, enter the giveaway. Subscribe to the channel. Comment your favorite emoji. It don't have to. It could be under this video, the announcement video, or the original private label video. I will see all of them. And follow me on Instagram. It's that simple. And comment what you want to see in the future. I'm putting the rules up here. Make sure you follow the rules so you can enter the giveaway with validity so that it's fair to everyone who entered properly. And I hope to see you guys in the next episode. I'm excited because I'm finished. I feel like a big girl. I watch these wigs. It was hard for me, y'all. And I filmed today. Everybody give Kiana a round of applause for being so generous and sharing her knowledge with me and with you guys, the record. So thank you so much. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Are we getting you on camera for a walkout method?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm getting me on camera for that one.
Y'all heard it here first.